Based on the kinetic molecular theory, a gas can be compressed much more than a solid or liquid because, is it A, gas particles move rapidly, the particles of a gas are very apart, a gas is composed, do not attract or repel one another, or letter D, gas particles do not attract or repel one another. So kinetic molecular theory, so may kasi kinetic nagmo-move, there is that movement. So specifically talking about an ideal gas dito, na nakikita natin yung mga gas, compressible sila compared with that solid at saka liquid. Bakit kaya? A gas can be compressed much more than a solid or liquid because yung gas natin as per structure, yung particles niya ay very far apart. So meaning to say, if we visualize kung medyo malayo, sobrang malayo ng particles ng gas, so pwede na siyang dakpin. Oh. So if we have that air, if we have that gas molecules in the air, tapos meron tayong balloon, gawin natin ganito, okay? We can capture everything. So we can squeeze and squeeze and squeeze and squeeze for it to be compressed. So pwede, kasi malayo pa siya. So squeeze natin, doon na siya magiging compressible. Kung solid naman, hindi. Kasi ano siya, di ba? Stick to one na siya. Okay? Stick to one na siya, dikit-dikit. How much more si liquid? Okay? How much more talaga si liquid? Okay. So, yung compressibility ni gas po dito is direct consequence siya because of that empty space in between the particles that are moving far apart.